Alright guys, today I'm going to unbox again the Govibe Martini. You all can see Govibe Martini portable headphone amps. I have actually unscrewed the 4 screws here. 4 screws by the side. So I'm going to dismantle the thing and show you. Here, let me show you how the screw actually looks like. This is how the screw looks like. They are not using normal cables, normal screwdriver, they're special kind of screwdrivers. And this is screw head. Let me show you. Let me unbox the internal component of this portable amp and give you a show. Okay, I'm going to pull out these things. Okay, I've removed everything for you to see. This will be how the internal components are. High gain, low gain switch here. As I already mentioned in my previous video that there's a gain switch here. High gain, low gain switch. At the back is all the IC chip. This is all the IC chip. A few resistors. They call it R1, R2. I don't think you all can see it. Resistor. These are all very small components. So these are all not actually very important circuit. The amplifier will be using normal large components, so the big piece of resistor. But these are portable, so they make it smaller. The resistor value not that good. The good thing is they maintain these two large capacitor. You can see over here capacitor 6.3 volt 3300 microfarad. This is a very good resistor. These two large resistor. My camera look a bit better because I'm using a normal camera to video this. You see, this is a resistor 330. See this? 330 microfarad running on 6.3 volt. These are very good things. They maintain this. This is very good thing they maintain. So the sound will sound better. This is what these two resistors do. So they actually maintain these two resistors. Don't change it. That's why this is so good. This portable amps. I'm going to show you. I'm going to unbox it back again. I'll do it. Slide it all the way in. Make sure you follow the notches. Slide it inside. This is the proper way to slide it. You slide it all the way in. Tune the volume control to the minimum. Put it back. Put it back these things. Remember, you set it up to the minimum, so you got to put it back to the minimum. Always set your amplifier to the minimum before you operate them, because you never know what's the sound of output sound. Always remember that, to set your sound to the minimum. Okay, as I temporarily screw a few screws to show you guys how it works. Now let me go to screw it for you temporarily. 2 ends. There are actually 4 screws total, so I'm going to just screw it 2 ends. Just 2 will do. To temporarily show you guys the whole thing and how it works. Always remember to use alkaline battery for this end, because alkaline battery tend to last a bit longer, so that it should last you 400 hours instead of 2. Instead of the rest, maybe you use normal battery, you last maybe 200 hours and run out. So always remember to use for alkaline battery. If not, the spec stated that it can last 400 hours will be forfeited, so it doesn't really work. Putting back the battery again, battery going in. Screw back the whole thing. Actually, there's no difference between which side you want to screw this thing. There's actually no difference. Left or right, no difference. The connectivity is still the same. I'm also going to review that why, if you're going to say you're going to use it and for iPod device, like what I'm going to review now. Yeah, I will be using an iPod Classic. This is my iPod Classic. So iPod users, remember, for this amp to work well, get this. DO. This is the dock out. To outlet, I can show you this cable again. This is the one. Input to your charging dock, output to cable. So this is the not for your don't use this for your earphone, because earphone there's no switch. If you input this to your earphone, the volume will shoot up to maximum. It will damage your earphone, instantly damage your earphone. So don't use this for your iPod earphones. Never use this. So I'm going to plug this in. I'm going to review again. This is what I'm going to do. iPod with this dock. This is only applicable to amplifiers only, not for any other earphones. Normal earphone usage. No. So this is my amplifier. You can see again, in, out, volume control, power button again. Power button. In, out, amplifier and power button. In, out. So the inputs, you need to go through by a cable of post N 3.5 UI. I got this cable from iBetso. This is iBetso cable, silver plated, copper 3.5 and copper the other end. So actually both ends are actually copper, gold plated, gold cables. They are slightly more expensive, but they're worthwhile buying because of gold plated. Center will be silver, you can see. They look like transparent to you. Actually they are silver plated, strange of silver. So this gives you a very clarity of sound compared to the normal you bought it in general department store or any electronic store. It costs you $5, and for 1 meter, 2 meter, $5. And that's not a very good cable, because they may not have copper. They may even copper plate this thing. They paint over the copper so as to make it sound better. Over time, after using it for quite some time, it becomes steel or maybe aluminium. Actually the color fades away, so the sound quality is not very good. Internal cable is made of copper. Copper is not that sound that great after that compared to silver plated. Silver gives you a very clear sound, clarity of sound. So let me go unbox this thing and you see. This is the cable, my port, amplifier. Firstly, inputs is going this way. Input. This is the output. Input also. This is earphone. So overall you get this way. The thing will turn out this way. This is how it is supposed to look like. Your music, your amps, output connect to your earphones, and that's how it works. The sound quality is very clear. You can test out using from this part also. Input instead of the dock, instead of this dock, instead of using the dock, you plug this thing directly through here. And you need to set the volume inside your iPod. The volume that you set is the 100% of the amps. This cable, 100% before you actually go in. So when you reach the amps, amp amplify the sound will become better or louder. But if you do this using this dock, the sound coming out from here is 0%. So to get some percentage of some volume out of it, you control through the volume control here, the knob. That's the good thing about this knob deal. Actually bypass the amplifier inside. Bypass the amplifier, so it's actually directly, the music actually directly come out from here, go through the amp. Because every iPod you have inside, there will be a mini amplifier. Sound come from there. So when you control volume, how percentage of volume you control, that's also amplifier. Like, this is the same as this knob. This is the same as the knob here. This knob. So it actually have a mini amplifier. So now we bypass the amplifier. So the sound, we take out the amplifier, we surely use it. So we bypass the whole thing. So this is very good cables. Useful. What I recommend this is, as I said before, it can last you 400 hours. Battery wise, you don't need to worry. Get battery anywhere for any department store. You don't even think of the price of the battery. As long as the price is reasonable, maybe you get it for 7-Eleven, double the price of a normal conventional store, it's okay. Why? It lasts you 400 hours, so you take the price of the battery, you divide it up by 400, it's still worthwhile paying for this product. The cost of no price for you per mini use. So I would highly recommend you get this amplifier from Japan at Elder Free Center opposite Funan IT Mall, level 4. Japan Network. Go to facebook.com.sg, look for Japan Network. Be their fans and they will update new things from you. They will update promotion, bundles, package about this amplifier with an earphone at a cheaper price. I got this from them from Singapore, $150 by cash. They recommend you to pay by cash to give me this price, better price. Free dock cable from them. These cables they give me for free, but not for this cable. They give you a normal cable, so not for this. They will give you free carrying case, but they don't have a package. It don't come in a box. So to say, this has no packaging alone. The company that manufacture this thing don't come out of a box for this already. Then I think what I guess is they mass produce this thing. They mass bundle this thing over. So when they ship over, there's no box. But still lasting, they give you 1 year warranty from there, and if eventually fall, you go back to Japan Adaptive Center to replace your products. So I highly recommend this for those who want value for money. To get this. So it's actually very value for money to get this amplifier for those who want mid-range, get a better sound recording. So I end my video here, and I'm sorry for the blurriness of the video because I'm using a camera instead of video cam.